R6. I wanted to see if it'll pop with me. We got Eminem playing right now, man. I'm vibing. It's an afternoon ride. I was editing, and I saw my stupid self in the mirror, and I was like, why the hell am I editing footage of me riding when I could be out riding? Like that, flick of a wrist of my fingers to my brain to let me know they go ride, instead of sitting at home riding or editing footage. Main reason I didn't want to go out today because I was busy in the morning, but mainly because it is like 90 degrees outside here in Mexico. Mexico. Look at all that gravel, man. You guys, hopefully you guys can see that gravel. It is crazy out here, man. Gunny, hey, gun it. Ooh. Also, I was supposed to eat, so I had a snack instead because this is my rest day anyways. I can get my calories in after I'm back. I'm not hungry, but I could eat some booty, but I could eat some food too. Eat that booty like groceries. I'm feeling it, man. I'm feeling it. I still finished editing the footage. What up, dog? He was looking at me with eyes of love. I couldn't help it. I couldn't help it. But this is the afternoon time. We gotta take it a little easy. Take it a little bit easy. Cause la policía here in Mexico, man. I can't feed them booty to let them leave me alone. No, man. So bumpy. Yeah, I can't just feed them booty. They don't take like that. They don't take it like that, man. I'm gonna get fined and I'm gonna have to pay it too. So we're gonna take it easy. One more. Switch your slot. Thank you. So we got music playing. Wrong playlist. This is a mixed playlist of all the liked songs. So we're gonna get some R&B. We're gonna get some R&B. We're gonna shake our booties to some rock. I don't listen to that much rock, but I do listen to like a few bands, like 3 Days Grace, Skillet, Bone Skillet. So yeah, we're gonna vibe to a bunch of random stuff, man. We got a few songs here from Nippon. If you don't know what that means Japan, man. Japan, man. I don't know how we got there, man, but we listening to it. I won't talk to it, but I'll listen to it. But we are just having a good day, riding around, looking awfully pretty in this particular city of Mexico. I don't know, man. I got nothing to say. I'm just gonna say random stuff. I'm just out here to have fun, to ride, to enjoy, and to just take it in. It's gonna be a short ride because, like I said, it's the afternoon time. La Policía is vibing out on them streets, and they're trying to get me, man. They're trying to get me. They say I ride too pretty. They say I ride too fast. They say I'm a pervert because of all the sex tapes we make with super bikes and supercars. But I ain't any of those things besides, you know, look at that, look at that, look at that. What you want? You want some? You don't. You ran away. You don't want some. When you see me out on these, well, there's a lot of Teslas. When you see me out on these streets, you know. Papa saying, King saying, I don't know. I had it, I lost it. Teslas forgot me, made me forget about it. Ah! We got a biker. Hi, Trappy. Club on me. It's on a sports bike, man. I wish I stayed with that R6. What up, homie, young blood? What up, homie, young blood? Jay-Z, Tupac, and Biggie. Andre from Outkast, Nas and Jimmy. Oh. Don't mind if I do. Beamer, my bad, homie. This guy looks like he's souped up to play. So we'll let him play. What up, Chica? Yeah, grind it out, man. I don't know why when they looked at me, I looked away. Could it be that I'm shy? Could Sane really be shy? Could I really be that individual who's shy? Maybe I am, maybe I am. Oh, why does this song always play? So seductive. I take you to the candy shop. I just edited a video where I was singing this. Then I edited another video where I was singing the song. I can't help it. I got like thousands of songs in this like playlist, and it still plays it. Shuffled, and it still plays it. It still plays Candy Shop. Until you hit the spot. Wait. How do you want it? You go back that thing up a short, I push up on it. Temperature rising. Okay, let's go to the next level. Dance floor jam-packed, hot as a tea kettle. For you now, baby, it's simple. If you be an nympho, I'll be an nympho. In the hotel or the back of the rental, on the beach or the park, it's whatever you're into. Magic stick, I got the magic stick. I'm the love doctor. Rock it, baby, no problem. Get on top and get up, bouncing down like a low rider. Seasoned vet when it comes to this sweat, you can play with it. Baby, the best way I can. I'll melt in your mouth, girl. Not in your hand, shorty. Oh, they're together. That's why he's an M series, but he's behind this trashy car right here. Never mind, there's a girl in it. Beautiful car right there. What I got? Oh, you go till you hit the spot. And where we do in Mexico, the things we do are just between me and you. Give it to me, baby, nice and slow. I'm on top. I like you in a rodeo. You ain't never heard it sound like this before, cause I ain't never put it down like this. Through the door, she got me pulling on my zipper. It's like it's a race who could get undressed quicker. It's me. Let me tell you, it's me. That's for the right time. Another souped up car, man. Camaro, but they're all like, I want supers, man. I want supers. I don't want any other garbage out there. Alright, I want supers. We're gonna sip every bubble out. Every single bubble. I'm gonna booger sugar it from you now. Body shot it from you, man. Another one right there, souped up. By souped up, I mean any mod that does make it different from basic. Ooh, Porsche, right? This thing's a Porsche. The lollipop. Yeah, let me lick that lollipop, homie. I ain't afraid. I ain't afraid. I'll lick the lollipop. Oh, look at him. Oh my. I can't bear it any longer. Oh, so much out here. So much goodness. This is my candy shop right here, man. The world. Nature. Ooh, he's blazing it. That Porsche's blazing it. Oh my god, I've missed this. That's a GT and it's blazing it. He has a spoiler. He's souped up. Oh my lord. Oh my lord. 27 me. His car says 27. 27 me. Forget 69. 27 me. Ride it off into the sunset. Man, that wallet about to bust out of your back pocket of your booty shorts, pants. You didn't ask them to get it a little bit tighter? Tighter on my. I want the pants to be tight on them cheeks. That's what he told the tailor. Hey. Oh. Some of that big. Oh. So we're out here doing. Oh. Chum that bitch. That Kia did me dirty, man. Kia did me dirty. And I did this car dirty to my right, so I'm not gonna look to my right direction. East, never eat wet, what is it? Wet worms? No, never eat soggy worms. That BMW looks ass ugly. But you see it? Shorty looks ass ugly. Look at this thing, man. Look at this thing. Homie, ass ugly. That grill, they're just making it fatter and fatter. I don't know about you, but fat nostrils ain't my kind of thing. Alright, I don't care how much oxygen you can intake. It's not my kind of thing, having fat nostrils. And this Beamer's really, really getting me mad, man. You ain't even an M, homie. You ain't even an M and you're trying to keep up with me? El Jefe, the Papi Jefe? El Jefe, right? did it again. I smoked them bands, but I did it again. Oh. Spread the love, homie. My voice cracked. Spread the love, homie. You see that I'm not on these streets and you gonna do me like that? With your station wagon looking bull. Trying to be good people. Outstanding citizens. I don't know what's happening. This music is loud, but the bike is even louder. It's Kendrick. It's Kendrick. I am the Omega, the Alpha, the Foot Licker. That's what he's. I'm not saying that. Kendrick be saying it. You know what? I am curious. So dangerous. I accidentally put it in neutral. We're not gonna talk about it though. I am the Omega. Don't undress me unless it's 4 letters. All right, Kendrick. Foot Licker. That's 4 letters. Foot. I wonder how many of these rappers have foot fetishes. Because I think it's not a thug thing to have a foot fetish. But I think a lot of these rappers be closet foot lickers, toe suckers, heel twerkers. No, heel. What's the word? What's the word, homie? What's the word for when you're into heels? Not like the actual shoe heel, but like the foot heel, like flesh heel, actual skin on it, and you rubbing it down on it. You rubbing yourself on it. You know what? I'd give that homie my bike just to get his bike, because it is hotter than a mug out here, and Ducati be roasting me, man. Oh, look at this blonde soccer mom thinking she fast on these streets. Look at her go. Huh? You ain't getting it, huh? So you want it from me? Alright then. You ain't getting that home, so she wants it from me. I wouldn't blame it though, show it. I am the Omega. Acai. What is that? Isn't that a food? Acai berries? Ass berries? Oh, soccer mom, look at this. Can you do this? No, because you're a soccer mom. You cannot do this. Now we turn to the left and rate it. No, we turn to the right and go blind. Oh, what a Daryl Rubicon. I'm listening to Drake right now, and it's the old Drake where he's that Forever song, which is so cheesy and corny. Only good part is Wayne and Eminem, even though Kanye kind of ripped it up, but I think Wayne really served it. And then Eminem just came in there and just took you, just made a mess of it. You know, he just came and made a mess of it in a good way though. Like, you know, she's sick, kind of like that. I like Eminem. I bump bells with Eminem. Oh, he in a deep conversation with his shorty. He didn't even look at me. He in a deep conversation with his shorty. Or maybe he was trying to talk to her and make her look the other way so she won't see me. Cause you know she gonna hop shits. She gonna hop bikes. Hop bikes. I don't know. Why do I say the stuff that I say? It's because I'm lonely on the inside, is what my therapist says. I'm lonely on the inside, is what my therapist says. Oh, soccer mom, you don't want it anymore? Huh? You don't want it anymore? She don't want it anymore. Okay then, I got it. I don't want it either, ho. Son of a slut.